Welcome back to the Gummy channel. This is Fabiola. In today's video, we are going to help Abby pack for vacation. But first, we are going to get her dressed for the day. This is Rainbow Academy. This is from our generation. It's super cute and colorful. There's even a little bag with a rainbow. Okay, so this is the top, and it has a little rainbow here. Here is the skirt. It has little rainbows that look like bunnies and puppies. Definitely a little different, but very cute. And we got these pretty pink shoes. However, these shoes are going to be way too big on Abby. And here is the purse. It's super cute. I love the rainbow. We will fill it up in just a minute. Let's get Abby dressed. This may be a little big, but we are going to make it work. This is super cute. I did have to adjust the dress just a little bit because she is so tiny, but it works. It looks super cute. So I'm going to have her wear these shoes, since they kind of look like the shoes that this outfit came with. This is going to be her carry-on bag. So in here, I'm going to pack her cell phone. Her cell phone is in this cute little cupcake phone case. And a notebook with clear pages in case she wants to draw. This is going to be great for the airplane ride. Her sunglasses. I think they match with the outfit. Here, let's put the sunglasses in here. Her Stitch water bottle. I'm going to pack her a snack for the airplane ride. A green apple for a healthy snack. And cookies for a sweet snack. Okay, I think this bag is full. Now let's pack her suitcase. Her suitcase also has a rainbow. The first thing I am going to pack for her is going to be her new pajamas. Good night, Sleepy Fox. And check out the print. Super cute. I will also be packing her new dress. This is an under the sea theme. You can see fish, a crab, and a sea star. Little seashells. It's super cute. In this travel bag, we are going to pack her shampoo. This is the Groovy shampoo. Sunscreen. Her toothbrush and toothpaste. Her butterfly perfume. Her tiny lip gloss. It's so shiny and it has a little bit of glitter. And money for her trip. Icebreakers, breath mints. And let's not forget to pack a swimsuit. And these little sandals to go with the swimsuit. Let's not forget to pack a fun hat. I'm going to pack a bucket with a shovel and a rake so she can make sandcastles. And a fun activity book for the trip. This is the Imagine Ink book. And she has lots of fun with these coloring pages. Now we are going to get Drake dressed. So he did get a new shirt and shorts. This is from our generation. And he really likes this. It has a skateboard and he's into skateboarding now. It's fun. If you guys want to see a video of Drake skateboarding, give this video a like. Okay, so these shoes are definitely not going to fit, so he can just wear his regular shoes. This also included a skateboard. Watch my new trick. Wait a minute. Safety first. Okay friends, I'm going to show you what's in Drake's suitcase. So he has a little sweater here. He has his favorite shirt. He did get a new shirt and shorts. It says turtle. Here are the knee shorts, just little blue jean shorts. These are his swimming trunks, his sunglasses. He packed sunscreen and his camera. And that's everything in his suitcase. Drake, did you forget your toothbrush and toothpaste? Yeah.